guys, welcome back to the channel. Give me that.
What's going on, guys? We're here in beautiful Oregon. Believe it or not, there's still snow. Came to visit him, well, the family, for Easter. We left the Q back at home. It's getting the big brake kit installed, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks. I'll show you a little clip of the calipers, and when we get back to San Jose, I'll show you guys how it looks like on the car. Can't wait to see how it looks. In case you guys are wondering what snow tastes like, Daniel over here is gonna let you guys know. Is it bussin' or is it not bussin'?
Let's see.
Let's test it out.
Bruh. That shit buzzing.
Oh shit. Is it valid?
Oh, shit.
This shit's crazy. I was not expecting this, so I'm not even like snow gear ready.
Oh.
Fucking socks are wet. But hey, it's cool seeing snow again after so long. Go. And look who we brought out to the snow. Mrs. Oreo over here. Looking like Mrs. Santa Claus. Oreo!
Sway.
Alright, you guys, back to beautiful San Jose, California. And here it is. You guys ready for it? Ooh. Bam. Sheesh. Check it out. It's a candy red. Not just regular red, but candy red. I'm trying to figure out for the longest what color she should go for. She wanted to keep them red, you know, they come red. And I was like, well, that's too basic. And the lettering on there, I think, was painted or some shit. So she was gonna have to color code it regardless. And I was like, well, if you want red, why not just go candy red? There's a better pop to it. Looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Sheesh. Oh, and another surprise. Look what she got. Fuck, man. Must be nice. Sheesh. Man, the BBK really did make a difference. That shit looks perfect. I also did get my calipers back, and oh man, they came out better than I expected. I'll show you guys when I get home. Alright, you guys, well, I kind of lied. I got home and completely knocked out till the next day. I was exhausted as fuck, and I was exhausted yesterday from work. But I'm gonna show you guys the calipers in a bit. But right now, just letting you guys see these again. Oh man. Come on. The camera doesn't do it justice. When you see it in person, dude. Perfect. Opening up the monster cave. Good morning, Liz. Actually, side note, last week before I went to Oregon, I actually took her to a Cars and Coffee for a bit. It's pretty cool. Too bad she's dusty. It's crazy. I haven't given her a wash since January. It may not look like anything on camera or in person, but when you get close to it, it's pretty nasty. This thing is filthy. Worst part is I'm hosting the meet this Sunday, so don't forget. Remember, put the flyer up here one more time. It's gonna be this Sunday. I don't think she's gonna be washed in time. I don't have time. Like, I work until Saturday, and man, it's just, it's a bust. I don't think I have anyone mobile to come through and wash it real quick before. But anyways, sorry guys. Let me go ahead and move all this stuff real quick. Well, actually, it's just this rotor that's in the way. Go ahead and put it right here. Just for a second. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Alright, you guys. Ready? Here you go. Boom. Sheesh. This came out fucking sick. These are bussin', respectfully. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys happy about the Q50 color? And let me know what you guys think about this color. It's gonna look nice. I don't know, I've always been a big fan of yellow calipers. Had to go for yellow. I was gonna do some other colors, but at the end of the day, I just went back to yellow. Yellow's a move. I don't know what it is. With the colors that I've been picking lately, I've been knocking it out of the park. I should have gotten my bash bar today. I don't know what happened. You know how it is with fucking FedEx. I was telling you the wrong day, the wrong time. Either it comes too early or late. I was supposed to get it today. Double checked it around 5 o'clock. It says no estimated delivery date. So I'm like, what the fuck? It literally said it's gonna come today. So hopefully it comes tomorrow and I'll be able to debut it for the Cars and Coffee. I'm hoping that can happen. But if not, yeah, at least it's on the way. By the next video, cross my fingers, I should have the bash bar on. I actually just realized I haven't showed Neri the calipers. I've showed her in pictures, but she hasn't seen it in person. So let's see what she thinks. Okay. What do you think?
They look really nice. Let me see.
Yeah, I forgot I didn't show them to you. You just saw them in the pictures. Put it next to the wheel. It actually pops out a lot.
Really?
Yeah, told you.
That's good.
Yeah.
I really like the black sticker.
Yep.
That looks nice.
I've always liked yellow calipers, so I had to go for it. I was saying, like, I was thinking about different colors, but at the end of the day, I was just going back to yellow.
Really color me. It's just heavy.
I know.
Hit up Brothers Wheel Repair for any of your powder coating needs.
Yep.
Tell them we sent you. He'll hook it up.
Yep. Like, he's seen his work. He did our Nismos, and now he did our calipers. And hopefully soon, he'll do the bash bar.
He always exceeds our expectations.
Yep. And he prints out stickers for you guys, too. So, just an FYI. So, don't be shy. Hit him up on DM on Instagram. And he'll help you out. He's a good guy. Cool dude. Alright, guys. It's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm exhausted. It's a long week. Coming from a big trip just to go to work the next day. Oh, man. It's draining me this week. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I was honestly not planning to record anything until the meet. But I decided to, hey, why not get some footage for you guys and upload this week for you guys. So hopefully you guys appreciate it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And share it to your friends. Hopefully we get to 200 by summer. If not, then, oh well. We'll get there eventually. Till next time, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Oh, wait. Actually, Ori, come here. Look. You're not in trouble. She thinks she's in trouble. Come here. Good girl. Look. You guys like her dress? All right, Oreo, come on. Give me a little paw. All right, guys. Until next time. Catch you guys in the next video.